Since AirPods release in 2016, the truly wireless stereo earphones market has zoomed. Apple has since released AirPods Generation 2 and AirPods Pro. The polarizing stem design has been criticized by many, but it is now ubiquitous, with many companies now embracing it. OnePlus has recently released its version of TWS earphones, the OnePlus Buds. Let's pit the second generation AirPods and the OnePlus Buds against each other. The AirPods 2 retail for $159 and the OnePlus Buds for $79. The AirPods are available only in one color, white. OnePlus comes in three colors, white, grey and not blue. In the box, you will get the AirPods, a lightning charging cable and a charging case. The OnePlus Buds come with the buds, the charging case and a charging cable. The length of the cable is small in the OnePlus Buds. If you have a USB-C type phone, I guess it does not matter. Still, I would think that OnePlus should provide a longer cable. The AirPods has up to 5 hours of listening time or up to 3 hours of talk time with a single charge and a total of 24 hours with the charging case. The OnePlus Buds on the other hand has up to 7 hours of listening time with a single charge and a total of 30 hours with the charging case. Both the OnePlus Buds and the entry-level AirPods 2 do not have wireless charging capability. However, you can pay $40 more to get a wireless charging case for the AirPods. Both the cases are made of plastic and are built very well. The AirPods case has a shiny finish and has a metal hinge. OnePlus Buds case has a matte finish like an eggshell and also has a metal hinge. Both of these cases close with satisfying clicks. The OnePlus Buds case is a little bigger than the AirPods, but both are light and are easily pocketable. Coming to the pods and the buds, they are similar in construction, with the OnePlus Buds slightly bigger than the AirPods, but the AirPods a little longer. OnePlus Buds, however, are IPX4 rated against moisture and dust, which the AirPods are not. Both earbuds do not have silicone tips at the end, hence the fit is going to be very individual dependent. For me, the AirPods fit a little more snugly than the OnePlus Buds. It's not an issue with the regular day-to-day use, but if I'm going to use a wireless buds during some active walking or workout, I would be more confident with the AirPods. Connecting the AirPods to an iOS device is a breeze. Just open the buds near an iOS device and you'll get a notification. Similarly, connecting the OnePlus Buds to a OnePlus phone or any Android phone with Android 6.0 and above also follows the same principle. Connecting the OnePlus to an iOS device or the AirPods to an Android device needs to be done as you would do any other Bluetooth headphones, which is again not an issue and is very quick. Sound quality is good on both these buds. The AirPods are slightly louder and have a little fuller sound as compared to the OnePlus Buds. However, the difference in sound is minimal, especially when you consider the difference in price. Both of them use Bluetooth 5.0 and have very good range. I had no issues during calls when using either of these devices. AirPods are great when used with Apple products and within the Apple ecosystem. There is seamless transition from one device to another device automatically if you have both devices logged in with the same Apple ID. Also, you can configure the earbud to activate Siri, play pause a song or go to next song for a double tap. But the auto ear detection works only on iOS devices. Currently, the OnePlus Buds also has some dependencies on the OnePlus phone. You can upgrade the firmware on the buds or change any settings only with a OnePlus phone. Apparently OnePlus is going to come out with a dedicated app for its audio accessories, but as of this recording, we are still waiting for it. Out of the box though, the buds have the double tap to skip to the next track and auto ear detection working. Perhaps my favorite gesture of the buds is to tap and hold for 3 seconds and the buds automatically switches between two Bluetooth devices. It is a really great feature that I have found myself using regularly. Both the OnePlus and the AirPods are good TWS buds. If you are looking for a truly wireless stereo buds that need to work across multiple platforms, OnePlus Buds make more sense. If you are locked in the iOS ecosystem and are not worried about the price, then AirPods is the buds for you. If price is of concern, you can easily go for OnePlus Buds for half the price and probably only marginal drop in overall sound quality and functionality, even in the iOS ecosystem. I hope that this video is of use to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.